This is the Tempo station. This is a Tempo workstation. On your right, you can see the Tempo preparation station. The green light shows that it is available. I will now show it from the side as well, so that you can see it's working, showing available. On your left, you can see the Tempo reader station. The green light again showing that it is available. And I will go on the side of the instrument to see the screen showing that it is available and working. I will now show you on the computer. We are in the welcome screen of the instrument. The username is Tempo. I will now log in into the system. It immediately goes onto the Tempo Read software. I will close it and go first on the Tempo Prep software. I will log in with my password. Here is where you enter the various tests with the incubator cards read by the barcode printer, barcode reader on your left. I will now log out, quit, and show you the Tempo Read software. When at the end of the incubation, the Tempo cards are being read by barcode automatically. Okay. All the cards that are being incubated will appear here. When the Tempo reader is started, it will read automatically the cards and the results will appear here. Okay, I will now log out, okay, and give you a video of the whole system. Okay, so what you get is a Tempo reader, Tempo filler station, the Tempo workstation, which has all the software that are required to run the system, the barcode printer, modem, etc. Okay. I will also take a video of the, if I may. Okay. That's it. Thank you very much.